Hey guys, this is Developer Dude, and today in this video we are going to discuss about HTML elements. Along with understanding the various available elements and their syntax through the examples. An HTML element is the collection of start and end tags with the content inserted in between them. The HTML element consists of three parts. Opening tag. It is used to tell the browser where the content material starts. Closing tag. It is used to tell the browser where the content material ends. Content. It is the actual content material inside the opening and closing tag. Nested HTML elements. The HTML element is used inside the another HTML element is called nested HTML elements. Here, HTML tag contains the head tag and body tag. The head and body tag contains another elements, so it is called nested element. Necessary to add and tag. It is necessary to add the end tag of an element, otherwise the displayed content may or may not be displayed correctly. It is a good practice if you add closing tags to the non-void HTML elements. But nowadays, browsers are getting more and more advanced and forgiving in nature. That's why if you somehow forget to apply the closing tag in the non-void element, the browser will not throw any error, but the problem will arise as you insert more and more HTML elements after that. Empty HTML elements. HTML elements without any content that do not print anything are called empty elements. Empty elements do not have an ending tag. For instance, br tag, hr tag, link tag, input tag, etc. are empty HTML elements. Thanks for watching.